Unlock the power of Bitcoin trading on Pocket Option by smoothly transferring your digital assets from Coinbase in this quick, step-by-step guide. First, log into your Coinbase account, navigate to the wallet section and locate your Bitcoin you'll need to initiate a send transaction. Now, head over to your Pocket Option account and find the deposit section. Select Bitcoin as your preferred deposit method. Pocket Option will then provide you with a unique Bitcoin deposit address. €. This is crucial. Copy this Pocket Option Bitcoin deposit address accurately. Avoid manual typing at all costs to prevent errors. Back on Coinbase, paste this address into the recipient field for your Bitcoin withdrawal. Double-check the pasted address one more time. €. A single misplaced digit means your Bitcoin could go to the wrong place. Next, enter the exact amount of Bitcoin you wish to deposit into Pocket Option. Then, review the transaction details, including the network fee. Confirm the transaction. Coinbase will likely require you to verify this withdrawal, often through your email or a two-factor authentication code. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin transfer is underway. Keep in mind that Bitcoin transactions can take some time to confirm on the blockchain, usually between 10 minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion and the fee paid. Once confirmed, your funds will appear in your Pocket Option trading balance, ready for you to start trading. Remember to always check the latest network fees and ensure you're sending the correct amount. This secure method empowers you to leverage your Bitcoin for exciting trading opportunities on Pocket Option. Happy trading!